So the plans of the business, right?
Mm-hmm.
So big thing you want to look into, what is the company gonna like? You're looking with investing, you're not trying to, you're trying to look ahead. So the company is what it is now, but what is the company gonna look like a few months down the line, a few years down the line? And then a big part of that is what are the plans they have? Because if they have certain ambitious plans and they actually meet those plans, then that could make the company worth more than it is today.
Yeah.
So one of the big things Grace talks about is their 2030 vision, right? Their 2030 vision. So what is this vision? So Grace actually put out a notice to the stock exchange. I think it was in I think it was 2021 or 2022. But essentially, I'll read it here. GraceKennedy's 2030 vision outlines ambitious growth and strategic goals to position itself as the number one Caribbean brand, not Jamaican brand, Caribbean brand globally. So across the whole world, they want to be that number one Caribbean brand, not Jamaican brand, Caribbean brand. So they want to beat out all other competitors from all other islands. And so they said the key targets to reach this 2030 vision: one, they want 70%, or essentially the bulk of their revenues and profits, to be made outside of Jamaica. So yes, they're still going to be a Jamaican company, but they're saying, hey, we want to make a lot of our money outside of Jamaica, because say if they just stay in Jamaica, then if say something bad were to happen to Jamaica, that could mean that their revenues and profits drop. But if they are, say, diversified in a lot of different other countries and stuff, if all of those different countries, something bad would have to happen to them for them to maybe make less money. So they essentially want to be pretty, I guess, well diversified.
Mm-hmm.
They also said that they want to achieve revenues of 2.1 billion US dollars, 2.1 billion US, and they want to achieve a profit before tax of 250 million US dollars, right? Another big thing that they say, they want to list GraceKennedy Financial Group and GraceKennedy Foods on Caribbean and major overseas stock exchanges, respectively. So they want to list GK Finance on some Caribbean stock exchanges, and they want to list GK Foods on some major overseas stock exchanges, right? So that's their 2030 vision, right?